Hello, it's Stacy here with scrappingforless.com, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the February Flavor of the Month card kit. And it comes in this cute little bag with unicorns and crowns and stuff. And this month the theme is Castles and Dreams. I'm gonna go over what's in each of the collections, and I'll show you what's in them. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. I'm just gonna leave it here so I can refer to it. Lots of goodies in here. You're gonna love this kit. It is so cute. All right, so this is the banana split. So let's go ahead and look at the cardstock so you can kind of get a gauge of the color scheme. And it comes protected in cardboard. Of course, you get the 4 envelopes. They're actually in your collection pouches, but I take them out. So you get 4 envelopes. And the change starting is there are more colored cardstock than white cardstock from now on. Everybody has white cardstock in their stash, but everybody requested to have more colored. So Teresa listened to everybody and she put in more colored. So you do get white, and then the difference now is this is the 110-pound Nina Classic Crest Solar White. It's the thick stuff. You can use it for card bases. It's perfect for Copic coloring. So you're going to get 2 sheets of that. And then the colored cardstock is MFT. And I'm not sure of the colors. I can talk to Teresa and have her start adding the colors to the ingredient sheet. But if you're familiar with MFT colors, you can easily look them up. So you get like a light blue. This is a kind of a spearmint green. This is kind of a more bright, dull pink. Bright pink. A navy. And a purple. And a baby pink. So that's your cardstocks, and I'll leave them here so you can kind of see what they are. All right, so for collection number 1, this one's called Dragon Tales. And the paper is by Doodlebug, and it's a Dragon Tales collection. And they are double-sided, so I'll just flip through them really quick. Some bright primary colors. Very cute. And your papers may vary because they split up a paper pad, but you get 6 of the papers. You're going to get a half of a sheet of the icon stickers that match that collection. You're going to get the Kennedy Grace exclusive sequin mix. This one's Dragon Tales. You're going to get 8 of the little mini silver brads. And the stamp set is by Stampin' Bella, and this particular collection is exclusive to Scrapping for Less. This little dragon was in a regular set with several dragons, but they pulled it out by himself and put a sentiment with him, and this combination can only be purchased through this kit through Scrapping for Less. So that is collection number 1. All right, collection number 2 is the girls' version of the Doodlebug, and it's called Fairy Tales. And you're going to get 6 of the pattern papers, and they are double-sided. And these are more rainbow colors. Very cute. So that is the Dragon Tales, and you're going to get also a half of a sheet of matching icon stickers that go with it. Of course, the exclusive Kennedy Grace sequins. This one's Fairy Tales. Pinks, purples, pale yellows, white. You're going to get some of these. They're buttons, but you could easily cut off the shanks and glue them. But they're clear. They're transparent and they have a tint to them, whether they're yellow or pink or blue. Get them down here so you can see. Turn this light on. There we go. They're very cute. So you're going to get a handful of those. And the stamp set is by Avery L. called Be a Unicorn. Very cute. So that is collection number 2. Alright, now to collection number 3. These papers are by Alright, well, I just noticed that on the ingredient sheet, collection 3 and collection 4 are mixed up. Collection 3 should actually be the boy version, and collection 4 should be the girl version. Either that or the sequins are mixed up, but you can easily figure it out. So, alright, so this is Once Upon a Prince by Echo Park, and these are double-sided. 6 papers. Of course, yours could be a little bit different selection because they split up a paper pad. And then you're going to get a long section of this gold faux rhinestone mesh. You get some epoxy stickers. These are flags and shields, and then word stickers that say, mine says charming, yours could vary. And then the exclusive sequin mix. So that's collection number 3. Collection number 4 is the Once Upon a Time Princess by Echo Park. And again, double-sided. These are more pastel-y colors with some navy and some purple, dark purple. And then the stamp set is by La La Land. And this one is called Magical Day, or Magical Marcy, I believe. Your set will not have the unicorn. It will just be the princess and the sentiment. La La Land is putting together this specific set for Scrapping for Less with just the girl and the sentiment. So that's what you will get in your kit. There are some epoxy hearts and words, again, to match. And those are by, does it tell me? No, just says enamel shapes. You can get a section of pearls, and then, of course, the sequin mix, My Sweet Princess. So that was collection number 4. So everything I just showed you is the double dip. Now, this little goodie pack is what you'll get, everything that I just showed you, plus this package in the banana split. And you're going to get the Paper Smooches rainbow die. You're going to get a bottle of Mr. Huey's Color Mist in pretty pink. And I'm not sure if they're all pretty pink. I think they are. You're going to get a 3D Doodlebug rainbow dimensional sticker, glitter. Of course, your little sweet. And then, first time ever, Scrapping for Less has now made their own exclusive stamp set. And it is by Scrapping for Less. It's a 3x4 and it has coordinating sentiments for the collection. Once Upon a Time, You're My Knight in Shining Armor, A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes, Sorry to Hear Your Dragon, Sweet as a Princess, Unique as a Unicorn, You Are Enchanted, You Are Sweet as a Princess, You Are Unique as a Unicorn, Let Me Be Your Knight, Believe That There Are Unicorns, a quote by Shakespeare. So that is the Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kit for February called Castles and Dreams. There is a very, very limited amount of kits available this month. So if you want to be guaranteed a kit, please go over to the Scrapping for Less website, click on the Flavor of the Month tab, and sign up for a subscription. That's the only way to guarantee a kit in your name, is to sign up for a 3-month subscription. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.